True story. When I first started low moisture carpet cleaning, I went to a client's house one day. And I said I was bonnet cleaning. And she said, "What the f is bonnet cleaning?" I said, "I'm going to use a bonnet to clean your carpet." She said, "Bonnets are for your hair, dumbass." And I said, "Why the f would you wear a cleaning pad on your head?"